How to remove background in YouCut. Want to isolate your subject from the background? Here's how to remove the background in YouCut. First, launch your project in YouCut and add your video. Choose Chroma. If you are working with a green screen video, use the picker to select the background color. Adjust the threshold and feather settings until the background disappears and your subject is clear. If the video does not have a solid background, unfortunately, YouCut does not support full background removal for regular footage. You will need to create that using another software and import it. For photos, try the PIP option and use a transparent PNG as your overlay background. Need a full background cutout? Let me know in the comments below. And that's your guide to background removal in YouCut. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.